Welcome to today's tutorial. If you've ever wanted to give your videos a professional touch by smoothly fading your audio in and out, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create clean fade-ins and fade-outs for your soundtracks in CapCut, no matter whether you're working on your phone or your computer. Let's dive straight into the process, so you can start enhancing your edits right away. The great thing about CapCut is that making audio transitions is super straightforward, whether you're on mobile or desktop. First up, you'll want to select the audio clip you want to fade. This could be any separate audio you've added, like music or sound effects, or even a video clip that already has embedded audio. CapCut treats both the same way for this effect. Take your time here to make sure you've got the right clip selected. On mobile, just tap the audio or video clip on your timeline. On desktop, click it once to highlight it. You'll notice the clip is now outlined or marked, signaling that it's ready for editing. Now, look for the fade option. On mobile, you'll find this feature down in the editing menu at the bottom of your screen, right alongside other core editing controls. On desktop, the fade controls appear in the Properties panel on the right-hand side. CapCut's interface is pretty intuitive, but if you don't see fade immediately, don't panic. Sometimes, depending on the type of clip, you might need to scroll through a few tabs or panels. Just check the editing options carefully. It's usually just a swipe or click away. Once you've found the fade controls, you'll see two main settings: fade in and fade out. Each comes with sliders or sometimes little handles you can drag to adjust how long you want the fade to last. The fade in slider lets you control how gradually your audio enters. It's almost like gently turning up the volume instead of letting it blast in all at once. The fade out does just the opposite, slowly lowering the volume so your audio disappears elegantly rather than stopping abruptly. For example, if you're ending a vlog, fading out your background music can give your outro a much more polished feel. Adjust the sliders to select the duration in seconds. If you move the handle to the right, you'll increase how long it takes your audio to fade in or out. Shorter fades will sound quick and sharp, while longer fades are smoother and more subtle. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. This is where you can experiment a bit to see what best suits your video. For most transitions, a couple of seconds works well, but you can go longer if you want a more dramatic effect. Now, it's time to preview your changes. Hit play and listen to how your audio fades in or out. Pay attention. Sometimes you'll find you want it a bit slower or faster, so feel free to tweak those sliders until it really fits the mood you want to set. It's a bit like seasoning food. You're looking for that balance that elevates the whole dish. Finally, to apply your changes, press the check mark if you're on mobile, which confirms your edits. On desktop, simply click off the clip, and CapCut will automatically save the effect. And that's it. Your audio now fades in and out smoothly. Remember, don't stress if it takes a few attempts to get it just right. Audio transitions are one of those things that make a huge difference in the final feel of your video, but they're also easy to adjust as you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. It really supports the channel. Drop any questions or tips in the comments below. I love hearing from you and helping with editing challenges. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching and happy editing.